Hello everyone, we will talk about there is an error OCr overcurrent breaking resistor. Okay, so normally it is occurs like when you have very short breaking. Okay, so in that case you just need to connect one break resistor inside of like your VFD. So there will be the two wire, one will be connected on the plus and one will be connected on the minus of like DC section. Okay, so in that case what you need to, like when your VFD suddenly stop, so in that case what happened, there is an excess voltage which reduce through your brake resistor. Okay, so in that case, like there could be too many chances when it is enabled. So there are chance brake resistor is not connected, like wiring is not connected. Okay, brake resistor connection is disconnected, like there are chance like that could be break for in between and all. So brake resistor is resistance value under the minimum allowable resistance value is connected. Like there are one more chance, like value of your brake resistor that is not enough, which is required to your VFD. Short circuit occurs when between plus or minus, like BP and BC plus minus terminal. Okay, and there are IGBT fault into the dynamic braking drive circuit control. So there are one more chance, like it could be like a fault inside of the IGBT of your VFD. So in that case what you need to do, you just need to check if your brake resistor is available and check wiring of that brake resistor that is properly connected. And if these all two things are okay, so after that you just need to check like between BP and PC minus terminal, like plus minus terminal, there is not short circuit IGBT fault. If there is an IGBT fault, in that case it will be required uh, to repair of your VFD. So in parameter number F304, that you need to disable. Okay, and with that you can try to run it, but be careful, like check everything is fine, then only you just need to run. And before, in that case, before run the VFD, if there is not any error you found, so you just need to contact with your contactor, and he will support you in case of hardware issue. If your problem is still not resolved, first you have to take my membership, and then you can write a mail to me with detailed problem with a screenshot of the membership. I will provide you solution, and I will give you one PDF also which will help you to resolve all your issue, and I will support continue.